Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Newegg affiliate program, detailed guide step by step clearly. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. Look for the affiliate program link in the footer and click on it. You will be redirected to the Newegg affiliate program page. Here, read through the program details and benefits for affiliates. Next, locate and click on the Join Now button. This will take you to the registration page for new affiliates. Fill out the required information, including your email address, name, and website URL. Make sure to provide accurate contact details for easier communication. Review the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. If you agree to the terms, check the acceptance box. Then, click on the Submit button to complete your application. After submission, check your email for a confirmation message from Newegg. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your new affiliate account. Take some time to explore the dashboard and available resources. You'll find marketing materials, product links, and reporting tools. Now, create your unique affiliate links to share. You can start promoting Newegg products through your channels. Monitor your performance and adjust your strategies as needed. That completes the subscription process for the Newegg affiliate program. Now you're ready to begin earning commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.